Greetings, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Greetings. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super important for any English learner. Greetings! Whether you're just starting out or you've been learning for a while, knowing how to greet people and respond to greetings is a must. I have divided this lesson into 4 parts. First, let's go over some basic greetings that every beginner should know and how to respond to them. Number 2, we'll move on to casual greetings that you can use with your friends or in more informal situations. After that, we'll cover formal greetings for a professional setting, like when you're at a job interview or meeting someone for the first time. And finally, we'll do a quick recap so you can review everything we've learned today. So, let's jump right in.
Basic greetings.
Let's start with the basics. These are the greetings that you'll use all the time. You'll hear them in almost every conversation, so it's really important to get these down. The first one, hi. This is the simplest and most informal greeting. Hello. A slightly more formal greeting compared to hi. It works in both casual and professional setting. Good morning. Used specifically in the morning, typically before noon, like before 12 a.m. It's polite and friendly. Good afternoon. A greeting for the time period between noon and evening, generally polite and slightly formal. Good evening. A greeting used in the evening, typically after 6 p.m. or when it starts getting dark. Next phrase, how's it going? It is a casual alternative to how are you? It's informal and often used between friends or colleagues. What's up? What's up? A very informal and modern way to say hello. It's usually used with close friends and means what's going on. Each of these greetings serves a specific purpose, and choosing the right one depends on the time of day, your relationship with the person, and the formality of the situation.
Casual greetings.
Alright, now let's move on to casual greetings. These are perfect for friends, family, or people you know really well. They're a bit more laid back. Howdy! It's a classic and informal greeting, most commonly associated with the southern and western regions of the United States. It's friendly and often used as a casual hello. How are things? A casual way to check on someone's general well-being or their current situation. Yo! A very informal and modern greeting often used by younger people or in urban areas. It's a quick and casual way to say hi. What's going on? This one is a casual and conversational greeting that doubles as a way to ask what someone is doing or experiencing.
What's going on? What's going on?
Absolutely, what's going on?
Is this
How's life? A friendly way to ask about someone's general well-being or what's happening in their life. Shop. A super casual shorthand for what's up. It's informal and often used among close friends. Next one, long time no see. This is used to greet people you haven't seen in a while. It expresses a pleasant surprise at reconnecting. Long time no see. How have you been? I know, I've been good, thanks. How about you? Pretty good. It's so nice to see you again.
Formal greetings.
Now, let's switch gears and talk about formal greetings. These are great when you're meeting someone in a professional setting, like at a job interview or in a business meeting. Good morning! How'd you do? A formal and polite morning greeting often used in professional or formal setting. How do you do is more of a courtesy phrase than a literal question. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a formal phrase used when meeting someone for the first time. It conveys respect and friendliness. How do you do? A traditional informal greeting used in British English. It's more about etiquette than asking a question, as the response is typically the same. Good morning, how do you do? Good morning, I'm doing well, thank you. How do you do? Next phrase is greetings. A neutral and somewhat formal greeting, often used when addressing a group or in written correspondence.
Greetings!
Greetings, Erwin.
Greetings!
I hope you're doing well. A warm and considerate greeting that expresses genuine care for the other person's well-being. It's very polite. I hope you're doing well. Thank you. I'm doing well. I appreciate it. How about you? I'm good. Thanks for asking. Okay, so now let's do a quick recap of all the greetings and responses we just covered. This way, you can refresh your memory and make sure you've got everything down.
Basic greetings. Hi. Hi, how's it going? Hello. Hello, how are you today? Good morning. Good morning, how are you today? Good afternoon. Good afternoon, how's everything? Good evening. Good evening, how was your day? How's it going? It's going great, thanks. How about you? What's up? Not much, just relaxing. What about you? Howdy, howdy, how's it going? Good, thanks. What about you? Hey, how are things? Pretty good, thanks. How about you? Not bad, just keeping busy. Yo, how's everything? What's going on? Just working. What about you? How's life? Life's good, thanks. How about you? Shop. Not much, just chilling. You? Long time no see. I know. How have you been? Good morning. How do you do? Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you. How do you do? It's a pleasure to meet you. The pleasure is mine. Hello. How do you do? How do you do? It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Greetings. Greetings. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Thank you. I'm doing well. I appreciate it. How about you?
That's all for today. Now you've got 20 greetings and ways to respond in different situations. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons on learning English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.